Hey everyone, this is James from Junior Cube Association, and in this video we will learn the flow of a competition. So the first thing that you need to do is you reach at the venue 10 minutes before your event starts. Once you reach the venue, get to the registration desk and know which group you are taking part in. After you know which group you are for each event, you have to wait in the waiting area. Once the event starts, they will call out which group. For example, if you are starting with 2x2 under 7, so there will be an announcement for 2x2 under 7 group 1. Once you do that, you need to come to the cube collection desk. Once you are at the cube collection desk, you will have boxes over here with your score sheet. So check your name, your event and the age group and place your solved cube, only solved cube, inside the box. Once you have done that, you will wait at the waiting area with all the participants. So while you are waiting in the waiting area, the scrambler will take your cube and scramble the cube up. After the cube is scrambled, a runner will come to the waiting area and call out your name. So for example, I have a score sheet for Miss Rekha over here. So once I go to the waiting area and I will call Rekha, table number 1. So you will accompany the runner to table number 1 and sit next to the judge. Once you are at the solving station, first check if you have the correct score sheet with you. Then you get up to 1 minute to prepare yourself. When you are ready to start solving, you will say, I'm ready. That's the time where the judge will lift the box up and you are ready to get 15 seconds of inspection. Remember, when you get 15 seconds of inspection, you are not allowed to turn the cube. You can lift the cube up, but you are not allowed to turn the cube. Once you come up to 12 seconds, the judge will call out 12 seconds. That's when you keep the cube down and you start the timer and start solving the cube.
So here is a timer. A timer has a display over here with the time. There are two LED buttons and a button to start on and off the timer and to reset the timer. Remember, while you're participating, not to accidentally touch these two buttons. Here is a sensory pad where you'll place your fingers like this to start the timer. Now, always remember before you solve that it should be at 0, 0. And when you place your hands on the timer, wait till the green light comes. After the green light comes, you lift your hands, start solving. Once you're done with your solve, place the cube down and stop it correctly.
So here is a demo of how it goes. So, are you ready?
Yes.
The 15 seconds starts, you are allowed to inspect the cube. You can start any time before 15 seconds. Once it reaches 12 seconds, keep the cube down. You place your hands on the timer, wait till the green light comes and you can start solving. Once you're done with the solve, place the cube on the table and stop your timer.
So here is a look at your score sheet. Your score sheet will contain the name of your competition, your name, the event that you're participating in, and the age group. Over here, the judge will write your time now. So for example, your score is 02 minutes, 24 seconds, and 74 milliseconds. Once the judge writes the time down, they will sign, and it's very important that the participant also signs the score. This score is only valid when the participant also signs.